Over the last 10 years, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram have dominated the social space, especially when it comes to sharing photos. 10 years of photo sharing is all about perfection, editing your snaps until there are no defects, and making sure the lighting is on point. But there is a new app that encourages its users to be real. BeReal is the current photo sharing app on the rise that encourages users to share what they are doing at a random point in the day with their friend's life unedited. Some are describing it as a combination of Instagram stories and Snapchat, with the app's mission to discover who your friends really are in their daily life. But how has it risen to a $600 million valuation? Here's how it happened. First of all, what is BeReal and how does BeReal work? Well, BeReal users receive a notification at a random point in a day where they have 2 minutes to take a photo of what they are currently doing. The app uses both the front and the back camera to show what you are doing as well as your mugshot to go with it. The idea is to capture the realities of everyday life rather than creating the perfect Instagram snap, which you then send to your friends. The background to BeReal is that it was founded in 2020 by Frenchman Alexis BeReal. BeReal came out of nowhere, spending 2013 to 2016 at the 42nd coding school founded by Xavier Niel, the French billionaire. BeReal then worked as a video producer at GoPro and as a freelancer iOS developer. He began creating BeReal in January 2020, but struggled to impress investors. That was until Javier, Niel's son, started using the app, which led to seed investment from Niel's investment companies such as New Wave and Kima Ventures. Shortly after, Andreessen, Horowitz, and Axel agreed to lead a $13 million investment in the series of funding round. Since then, the app has had over 20 million installations, globally downloaded almost 7 million times in April 2020 alone. BeReal aims to humanize social media, showing people a more realistic version of their friends' lives. Their tagline is, "It's now possible to be real," with no filters, no likes and no followers, and no ads. With BeReal, you can see that most people live similarly mundane lives, most of the time working, study and chill just like everyone else. As they say in the app, BeReal is real life, and this life is without filters. Snapchat and Instagram, you better watch out now, and this is how it all happened. If you are new, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.